Welcome to the second tutorial video of CAD modeling in which we will be making this part. So let's start. Select part here and click OK. This is the sketch we are going to make in our today's tutorial. Okay, so click on sketch, select line command, select front plane, click here and make a horizontal line. Select this point. Let's specify the dimension. Dimension is 4 millimeter. Let's set this. Click again on the line command, make a vertical line like this, then make a horizontal line, a vertical line, horizontal line, again make a vertical, horizontal line, and join these two lines like this. Now let's specify dimensions once again. Now select the smart dimension. Each of these lines have length equals 1 millimeter. So specify a length equal 1 millimeter. The length of this line is 2 millimeter. Now you can see our sketch is fully defined. Now let's make this circle of diameter 1 millimeter. Select a dotted line, center line. Select this point and this point. Now select smart dimension. Select these 2 points and make dimension equal 1 millimeter. Similarly, select this line and height equal 1.5 millimeter. Now select the circle. Select this point and make a circle. This circle is having diameter of 1 millimeter. Select smart dimension. Select this circle and make diameter as 1. Okay. So our sketch is almost completed. Remove these lines. Okay. Our sketch is completed, and now let's make a 3D object. Go to features, select extruded base command and adjust these dimensions. I am gonna select 2 millimeter. This is looking fine. This is our 3D object. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.